So there's two ways we can do this. We can do it by hand, because as you can see, the holes are quite big. So you can just thread it through by hand, get that one coming through like that. And then you can literally just cut a piece like that. So like that. And then you could literally just tie it like this. Just do a double knot. So that's the first way you could do it. Can't really see much on this camera, but there you go. And then that way you've got a loop. So the second way you can do it is if you just get a long thread and just keep weaving in and out of each circle, and then just pull the loops out. So that's probably the way I'm going to do it, because the individual knotting would take a long time. Alright, so you want to get a long piece of thread. I'm probably just going to do it row by row, so I'll get enough to go around probably 2, 3, 4, 10. Alright, cool. So that should be enough to go all the way around. We're going to cut that there. Boom. This is where we're going to use the needle. You can do it by hand because the holes are big enough, but it's just easier with a needle. It's going to go straight through. So I'll put a link below where you can buy these. Twist this like that. Then you want to put it through that hole there. So. Okay, cool. That will do. Here I actually put a piece of white card through the mask just so you can see the holes. Also so the needle doesn't hit the back of the other side. So you want to have this piece of loose thread so you can tie it once you go all the way around. I also taped the first bit of thread to the table so that didn't keep moving around. So with this first loop, I've gone out, gone back in. This is a smaller loop here in to make it tight. And then I've come back out, and you can change the sizes of the loops as well. So that's all I'm going to do across this whole part, all the way around. And then after that I'm going to move on to the layer below, layer below, layer below. So all it is an in and out weave. So out, wide, in, out, tight, out, wide again. You know what I mean? The rest of this I'm just going to speed up. Hopefully you guys understood that. Altogether this did take a pretty long time. It probably took a good couple of hours. I can't remember exactly, but I was there for a while. Because I've seen people selling these on Etsy. I'm like, why are they charging this much for this? But I see why. Like, it takes so long to do. And some of these people are making a mask itself as well. So I can't even imagine how long it takes them.
And I'm still sipping on tequila. When I run the sky, you will see. I don't blow my pipe for no P. I ain't got no time for no reason. Make sure my hometown stays seasoned. Southeast, northwest, all the seasons. I reload them, bring it back for some real. Talking that Nina, yeah. Remember those times when we were at P, yeah. Remember those times talking high, talking peak, yeah.
Alright, cool. So now we're moving on to when you finish everything and you want to tie it, thread it through, get a loop, thread it through the loop, tighten that knot like that, and then I double knot it basically. You can also turn it inside out and tie it by hand as well.
Up in that sucker, I'm in that Tonka, baby. Yeah, come show me love.